Walters! Thank God, I've been looking all over for you. I was thinking about the conversation we had yesterday about Jupiter. I did some research, and I found some pretty fascinating things. I think you'll be pleased. Let's walk. So, you've probably already heard, but there's been some very exciting speculation recently about the origin of Jupiter. See, some of the guys back at the lab, myself not one of them, feel that there's a possibility that Jupiter could have turned out to be an actual medium-sized star, which, I think the implications are pretty clear, would mean that our single-star solar system had the chance of being a double-star system. I mean, consider the implications if that were true. The temperature fluctuations alone would be staggering. Think about what it would do to the Earth's atmosphere. The idea of another sun, 318 times the mass of our own planet, the idea of sustainable life would be absurd. But when you consider the possibility of Jupiter actually becoming a middle-sized star, the chances are pretty slim. I mean, sure, it's composed of mainly hydrogen and helium, not unlike most of the stars in our galaxy. But then you look at the internal temperature of Jupiter. Too cold to cause the nuclear reactions that occur inside our own sun. Spot me? It's a fascinating concept. See, even though Jupiter is obviously the most massive planet in our solar system, it would have to increase its mass some 80 times to even be large enough for the reactions to begin. And even then, it would be fairly dim in comparison to our sun. You're missing. Just use a grenade. Now, when I say dim, of course that's only relative. I mean, it would still be at least 100 times brighter than our moon when viewed from Earth. But if the brightness weren't enough to affect the planet, the gravitational force alone would make a circular, stable motion of the planets around the sun an impossibility. I hate the beat. Isn't that amazing, though? That the mass of a planet hundreds of thousands of miles away from our own could have such a profound impact on whether or not there'd be sustainable life in our entire solar system? Doesn't that just make you wonder? Does that just make you feel alive, Walters?
Listen, Jeff. I'm going to be honest with you. Marianne, she left me last night. She took the kids, went to her sister's place in New Jersey. I know. The stars, they hold nothing for me now.